Hello everyone, this is Yavuz from Bayford Analytics. In this video, we will review the economic calendar for the next week and analyze the important events that will happen. Of course, these analyses will be cursory. Detailed analyses are available in our weekly newsletter. To access this Bayford Analytics weekly newsletter, you can go to bayfordanalytics.com and click the subscription plans button, and you can subscribe there. So let's start our analysis. But before starting the analysis, I want to repeat the warning that I always make. Any analysis that was made in this video or in this channel is not within the scope of investment consultancy. Please, these analyses are my own ideas only and not investment advice or anything. So please take your investment decisions only by yourself. All right. So when we start analyzing in our week, this week, the busiest day of the week is Tuesday. So we are starting the Tuesday with Westpac Consumer Confidence Index from Australia. Let's look at that detailed. All right, so in this Australia's Consumer Confidence Index, since our neutral level is 100, we are below 100 for months and months, for 10 months. Has started to rise for the last 2 months, as you can see. That's positive news from Australia and for Australian economy and Australian currency. All right, this bodes well for Australian economy and really positive news. We It's gonna be better when it starts to go more up and up, and we are expecting it a bit more like 90 levels and everything. At least I am expecting like that. It's gonna be better for the currency too. Another important figure to be announced on the same day will be the UK unemployment data. All right, as you can see here, prior is 3.7%, forecasted 3.7%. Markets have priced in the expectation that the unemployment rate, which has been 3.7% for the last 2 months, will remain stable this month. Although the statement about this level seems negative, I personally see the figures about 3.80 as negative for the UK economy. Let me show you in the graph too. As you can see here, United Kingdom unemployment rate went down, like it was 5.20%, and right now we went below 3.5. We went till 3.5%. Right now we are at 3.7%. I don't see so big danger if we don't go up 3.80%. After that, yeah, it can be a bit dangerous, but when if it still stays like that, that's okay for me. Okay, perhaps the most important figure of this week will be the annual inflation and core inflation data of the USA. The market expectation for annual inflation, when we look at the chart, which is 6.5%, is to decrease 6.2%. So in the chart, we can see that inflation is going down since June. So we are expecting it to go down 6.2 this month. All right. Announcing the figures at this level and below will be indication that FED's rate hikes are yielding results. Core inflation figures of 5.7% are expected to be 5.5% this month, but lower figures will be very positive for the market. As always, we have stated in the weekly newsletter how far and how fast the US will increase interest rates while inflation is falling rapidly. I repeat this thought, and at least for now, I don't think interest rates hikes will stop until core inflation drops to 4.5%, which is normal regular inflation rates, yearly inflation rates, going 5% to like till this level, I'm assuming. We'll wait for UK inflation figures when we get to the Wednesday. The market expects the inflation figure, which has been on the decline for the last 2 months. If you look at the chart detailed, as we can see, it has been on a decline for last 2 months and was 10.5% last month. We expect whole markets expect it 10.2% this month. Interest rate hikes seem to be given their results. Yeah, it is late, but slowly, as always. It was like that in the 2018 too, so it's not so surprising this year. Although we see below 10.2% level, I don't think that interest rates high will um, slow down until inflation reaches 8 percent, as you can see right here, these levels. Another data will follow on the same day will be the US monthly retail sales data. The market expectation for retail sales, which was announced at minus 1.1% last month, is 1.6%. Retail sales has been fallen in recent months as high interest rates have been driven up long cost, lending to a decline in US stocks. Future figures look more optimistic, I think. So, yeah, it looks really positive. The first of the numbers to follow on Thursday will be Australian unemployment data, which you can see here, but you can see in Forex Factories data. It's not high importance right here, that's why. But that unemployment data, I think, is important for forex markets, which was 3.5% last month, is expected to remain at the same level this month. Increase in unemployment will cause the Australian dollar to lose its strength, especially on the forex side. So we must be really cautious about that, I think. So I just mentioned it. The second data we will follow with the US PPI figures. PPI, which fell into minus 0.5% last month, is expected to rise again to 0.4% this month. If the announced figures are below the expected figure, it will be positive for the markets, I think. Finally, we will pay attention to the speech of FOMC member Cook on Friday. Here, we don't see that. This speech will give us a signal of the Fed's future actions that we are looking for the markets. And yeah, this week is gonna be like that actually. There's nothing that I can tell more, but I think these are the high important events that we are going to be looking for, and I really recommend you to look at this events every week, which actually I am going to be record videos every Sunday about these news, these events, sorry. You can watch the video and see which events you should be looking and how it is gonna be. And at the same time, if you want these events more detailed, like more detailed analysis on mine, you can go to bayfordanalytics.com and subscribe for the newsletter. Again, I'm every Sunday giving newsletters, and you can read there what's happening, what's gonna happen in the market. So yeah, I guess that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like and comment, please. You can comment and say the stocks that you want me to analyze and everything. And yeah, make sure that you subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.